Alright guys, so got the oscilloscope here, and it's loud. This is a Happy New Year. This is how we ring in the Happy New Year. That's the dying of 2025. And then we can have the rebirth of the new year. There we go. Happy New Year. Well, so let's just make this one the best year. 2026 will be the best year of all. Right? That's the does not compute. All right. I hope your grandma wasn't listening to that. All right. Have a good one. All right. Happy holidays.